Gold's having its worst day in quite a while, but I did not sell any of my gold in any of my accounts, client or otherwise, for one big reason, and that is, other than the dollar strengthening, which I will show you in a second, the entire bullish fundamental case for higher gold prices still exists. Specifically on gold here, still in that confirmed breakout above $3,892 an ounce. And personally, one of the things I'm looking for is I won't be looking to sell any of my gold until we do break down below that confirmed breakout level. That's number one. I am also looking, like I already mentioned, for a stronger possible dollar. Here's the dollar as represented by the Dixie DXY. You can see it has been strengthening since the 17th of September. Now, it's not necessarily a one-for-one correlation, dollar up, gold down, but it can have a sort of inverse relationship like that. Now, we are coming up on the July 31st, 2025 high in the US dollar. If we confirm above the July 31st high in the dollar and break down enough in gold, yes, I could start to sell my gold positions. I'll be happy to do it. Until then, I'm staying in gold. Let me know over in the comments if you sold any of your gold today. Well, the next nail in the economy's coffin just showed up the other day. The increase in US consumer borrowing came to a screeching halt in August when consumer credit only rose by $363 million. That is a drop in the bucket. The expectation was for a $14 billion increase. Didn't even get close. The slowdown was largely driven by a $6 billion drop in revolving credit, which involves credit cards and stuff like that. This is as per Augur Infinity Research and as posted by the Kabasi letter. Now, I'm not selling any of my stocks because of this, because in my opinion, it doesn't yet matter to the stock market. Americans are still spending tons of money. They generally aren't spending less money, at least a lot less money. So any decreases in that service sector part of GDP are down the road away, so I think we're all right for a while. And the biggest reason why it won't affect the stock market just yet, as I've shared with you for months, artificial intelligence and the computer chip demand are absolutely through the roof, and that's where the bulk of the sales, revenues, and profits are, and that's where I am invested. Specifically on the S&P 500 SPX, yeah, down days so far. It will have my attention if we can break below 6,696 there on the SPX. It will definitely have my attention, and I could hedge my Mag 7 stocks more if we break down below 6,636. Watch these levels. For now, I think things are okay. I am so glad last week, Thursday, I hedged my long natural gas trade. That's what I try to do, be at the right place at the right time, avoid the wrong places at the wrong time. I think we are at a very important inflection point here, at least as of about 2:15 at $3.09 a cubic foot. I think if we can break down from here, natural gas could go much lower, but it's possible that $3.09 is the new floor and that we could pop up. If we pop up, I potentially could get rid of some of my hedge. If we break down, believe me, I will keep all of my hedge. I actually hope that we break down because I want my hedge to make as much money as possible. Then I can happily get out of that, put that money towards buying more natural gas at a much lower price, and hopefully make really nice money. Crude oil down today and making an unconfirmed break down below $61.53 a barrel after Tuesday confirming the breakout. So wishy-washy in oil. I am not in an oil trade. You know that if you watch my videos here. So really, maybe tomorrow, if we can get a confirmed breakdown because crude oil prices finish noticeably lower, I would actually like that. It could give me a really nice level if it can come down some. Would love it if it came down to about $60.11 a barrel there, that lower white line, to possibly go long crude oil here. Watch these levels. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.